In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Twitch not working on Chrome browser. So if Twitch is not loading, buffering, or showing a black screen on Chrome, don't worry. I'll show you how to fix it step by step. So first, refresh the Twitch page. Now, if it still doesn't work, you can close Chrome and reopen it. So sometimes a simple restart can fix loading issues. Next, what you need to do is to clear your browser data. So click the three dots at the top right, head on to Settings. Next, go to Privacy and Security and click on Delete Browsing Data. So select Cookies and Cache Files, then click on Delete Data. So old or corrupted cache can prevent Twitch from loading properly. Next, what you need to do is to disable extensions. So go to Extensions. So if you have extensions in here, just remove them. So ad blockers and other extensions can block Twitch from loading videos or scripts. You can also open Twitch in incognito mode to test this. And the next thing you can do is to update Chrome. So make sure your Chrome browser is updated. So to do that, go to Settings and click on About Chrome and install any updates available. So an outdated browser can cause compatibility issues. Next, what you can do is to go to Settings and go to System. So turn off Use Hardware Acceleration when available, then restart Chrome. So this can fix black screen or playback issues on Twitch. Next step is to check internet connection. So make sure your internet is stable and restart your router or switch networks if needed. So Twitch requires a strong connection for streaming. And that's basically it. These are the best ways to fix Twitch not working on Chrome. Thanks for watching.